Hi, I'm Kellen from Jantek Industries. I want to let you know about some terrific job opportunities that we have for manufacturing and assembling machine operators here at Jantek. These positions are located in our manufacturing division based in Medford, New Jersey. Here's what Jantek will do for you. As an employee of Jantek Industries, you will receive Jantek's hourly pay rates, which net you a paycheck above the industry average for similar skills. Jantek provides you with medical, dental, sick and vacation time, and paid holidays. Jantek pay scale allows for you to train in new job skills and increase your pay accordingly. Jantek's Promote from Within policy provides for career advancement within the company. Our manufacturing positions have 3 skill levels and pay grades ranging from entry level with basic measuring and hand tool use skill requirements up to senior assembler, which requires the learning of several key manufacturing processes and machine operations. If you are serious about reaching your true potential, are willing to work hard and demonstrate the dedication to achieve, and you want to work for a company that takes care of its employees with great pay and benefits and respects your contributions, then let's talk.